Hello, it's Deutsche. I've been testing the new DJI Avata 360 here in Chamonix over the last few days, and technically, this thing is honestly insane. The drone is capable of shooting full immersive 8K 360 video up to 60 frames per second, alongside 120 megapixel 360 photos, all packed into a compact FPV body weighing around 455 grams, ready to fly. It also features DJI's O4 Plus transmission system with ultra-low latency, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, integrated propeller guards, and up to 23 minutes of flight time, depending on conditions.